Hello people. Okay, today we're doing a set I'm calling Summer Blues Squared. This may be the last summery set I'm doing this year, or this season. Starting off with some Beetles jelly, blue jelly. Now this is a set I threw together real quick because I wanted to be one set ahead in case I wasn't going to be here next week. FYI, as I'm saying this, I'm recording this whole video back to back with the prior one I just did, that now I've already forgotten what it was. Oh geez, I'm blaming it on Menno brain now. Okay, anyway, that's on and it's cured. Oh, a little sloppage got underneath. Clean that off. Okay, now we're going to cure it. And going back in with this Modelones shifting glitter. Now, I forgot to hit record when I did the first coat of this, so I'm doing 2 coats, so you're watching the second coat. So you can see how it looked with 1 coat, and now we're going on with 2. Anyway, so I don't have any new news to report on my dad. I did offer my mom to spend next week out there helping her with everything, and she didn't want me to, so I guess I will be here next week. So anyway, I'm ahead by 1 video, so I'm keeping that one. We're just going to keep it going. Okay, this is the stamping plate that I'm using, and I'm using these squares, hence the squared name in the title. I tried a few different designs because I didn't originally want to use the square one, but I could not get the other ones to pick up properly and look nice. I just wasn't happy with them. So I went back to the squared one because I've used this one before and it worked nicely for me then. So we're using these 3 different colors of stamping polish. We have like a turquoise, kind of a dark turquoise blue. We've got this kind of teal. And then we've got a light blue. And we're doing an ombre stamp now. Anyway, what I started to say was I wanted to do an easy set that I could bust out real fast. Okay, we're just going to scrape them off a couple of times. That way it blends the colors together, gives you a little bit better ombre. Now you're not going to see real details of this because I did it in a hurry and I was out of shot when I'm stamping it onto the nail. I mean, you can sort of kind of see it off in the corner there. But you guys have seen me stamp shit before. Oh, excuse me, sorry. So, you know how it goes. Now, that was the thumbnail, and the stamp did not fully cover down to the side edge, as you can see, and I'm not going to fix it because, A, nobody's going to wear these, and B, if you're looking straight down from the top, you can't see that part. So if I was doing this for a set that I was going to wear or somebody was going to be wearing, I would definitely fill in that side bit. But like I said, I'm not doing it. Not doing it on this one. Okay, and off we go again. Didn't get quite enough stamping polish on that one, so it didn't want to get all the way over there to the edge very well. But we made it work. Anyway, as I was saying, I wanted to get ahead because I know at some point I am going to have to go out there to my folks and stay for a while. So at least I have 1 ahead in the books. I might, this upcoming next week, I might do 2 sets again. So I have two ahead. That way I can be covered for 2 weeks if I have to be out there for that long. Okay, this one I'm just going to show you because I didn't show you the stamp after I picked up any of these designs. So I'm going to show you this one. You're not going to see it stamp on anything because I was out of shot, like worse than before. I don't know how I manage this sometimes, but anyway, this was a nice one. This one picked up really nicely, so I just wanted you guys to see. That's what it's going to look like when we pick it up. And you won't see me stamping it because, like I said, I'm out of shot. Anyway, this is what they look like when they're all stamped. And now we're going to go over them with our tempered top coat. And then we'll be done. Like I said, easy peasy set. Quick and easy. I think I busted this whole set out within a half an hour. And some of that was experimenting with the different stamping designs to see which one I was going to use. So we cure that up. In it goes. And there we are, all done. I really dig how these came out. I like them a lot. If you guys like them, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate it, and it helps me out a lot. And I will have a new video for you next Saturday. See you guys next time. I think we're going to transition into fall now. So, or I may change my mind. Who knows? But anyway, see you next time. Bye-bye.